Okay, so right now I'm going to showcase one of our most powerful modules in action, and that is session keys. So in this little demo, we're going to take a look at a social application. So let's think through social applications as they exist today. Twitter, Reddit. If you decide to put either of those types of applications on chain, what happens is every single time someone makes a post, someone wants to like a comment, someone wants to make a comment or an upvote or really any type of interaction, they have to confirm that interaction through their wallet, through their MetaMask. And doing that for every single interaction in a social app where the whole thing is just about interactions is going to create a terrible user experience. So you might say to yourself, okay, why would we even put a social application on chain? Well, through the use of session keys, you now actually can in a little bit easier way. So let's take a look at this. We're going to log into this microblog app. And when we log in, the cool thing is in the background, we're using Privy to facilitate our login and create an Ethereum wallet in the background for us. You can actually use any type of signer you want. You can use, even through Privy, you can do things like adding social logins and things like that. For now, I've kept it pretty simple. I'm just doing things through a confirmation code sent to my email. Okay, so now I've actually gone a step further in adding another layer of like UX. And I've taken the smart account address that's generated by Biconomy and replaced that with like a regular silly little username that you might actually get assigned to you in an application like Reddit. So in this case, I'm the Mighty Dragon. And now I could see all of the different posts that people have started making. So I'm going to click this button, this create session button. And this is going to create the session key for me in the background. So this is the familiar experience, right? Signing a message and transacting this way. So I'm going to sign and continue. And the cool thing is this is the only time I'm going to have to sign for any transaction on chain. Let's go ahead and create a post. This is my new post. This is the content for my new post. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. Now the cool thing is, while we were submitting that, that was actually a full-on transaction that was happening on the Avalanche testnet. So this is my new post. This is the content for my new post posted by the Mighty Dragon. And I actually have the transaction hash saved in the browser. Let me go grab that. I've got the transaction hash. This was a previous one I tested. I'm going to add in the new one. And you'll see that this was a successful transaction that happened 7 block confirmations ago. And the cool thing is you'll see here that there was gas paid for this transaction, as it should be. But as an end user, I didn't even have to worry about that. I logged in through a familiar email interface, created a session, and then I was able to post and not even worry about having AVAX tokens to pay for any of these transactions on chain. All of this is powered by the Biconomy SDK. So the Biconomy SDK allows for you to create these sessions and then tap into our Paymaster service to activate gasless transactions for your end users. And then our bundler takes these transactions and makes sure they actually execute on chain. So now you get access to the entire full stack experience of ERC-4237 through Biconomy SDK. Now, the cool thing about these sessions is you can customize them even further. Maybe you want to add certain time limits around how long these sessions would last. Maybe you want to add specific transactional limitations on them. All of this is possible. All of this can be done by creating your own version of this session validation. Additionally, you can take anything that was done in this demo and tweak it around a little bit. Let's say you have a DeFi app. In that case, you probably don't really care about showing them some type of username. Maybe you could just show them the smart account address. They're probably already used to looking at addresses anyway from their wallets. Simply show them that if you want to. Maybe you don't even need to pay for the gas for your end users, but you want to allow them to pay for gas in other ERC-20 tokens. Our Paymaster allows you to do that as well. The entire full stack, like I said, of ERC-4337 is available to you and is tweakable for any of your use cases. All of our smart contracts and modules have all been audited, so we make sure security is taken care of before we deploy and allow end users to actually start building with them. We also have a brand new module store where if you create your own module and start building your own amazing session modules or any other types of modules, get to showcase them on that store as well for other users to try out. So if you want to get started, get in touch, book a demo. The link is right here in the description. You can just get started right away. There's a link to our docs as well. And make sure to follow us on Twitter. Make sure to contact us in Discord if you have any questions, and we'll be able to help you out there. Thank you.